Hi there, I'd like to introduce the ZD220 desktop printer from Zebra Technologies. This is our value tier entry-level enterprise-grade desktop printer. It can run 4 inches per second and 203 DPI. It contains 128 meg of RAM and 256 of flash, so it's great for installing fonts, graphics, firmware updates, and can store a lot of print jobs at the same time. It has a cut-down version of Print DNA software tools, and the connectivity is basically USB, so it's plug and play. If we have a look inside, we can see it's a clamshell design. We get a lot of access to change our media very easily. We have a media sensor here, which we can adjust. So if you're using different shapes or sizes of labels, such as tags or wristbands, we can adjust the sensor to suit that. So it comes in direct thermal and thermal transfer. And all in all, it's a great entry-level desktop enterprise-grade printer from Zebra Technologies.